Welcome to this complete St. Lucia guide. Picture a captivating Caribbean island where emerald mountains kiss cerulean skies and the rhythm of steel drums fills the air. This is St. Lucia, a tropical gem that is as culturally rich as it is stunningly beautiful. Here every day is an invitation to adventure, relaxation, and the pure joy of discovery. From the iconic Pitons that stand guard over the island to the vibrant local markets bustling with life, St. Lucia is a feast for the senses. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a nature lover, or just in need of a tropical escape, this island paradise has something for you. Prepare to immerse yourself in a world of thrilling activities, unique landscapes, and a culture that's as vibrant as the sunsets that paint the evening skies. Now, let's dive into the 13 must-do activities in this tropical paradise. First on our list is the iconic Pitons, a pair of volcanic plugs that tower over the island. These twin peaks, Gros Piton and Petit Piton, are a testament to nature's grandeur. Their majestic silhouette against the azure sky is a sight to behold. But the Pitons are not just about aesthetics. They offer thrilling hiking trails for the adventurous souls. Imagine the exhilaration of conquering these heights and the breathtaking panoramic views that await at the summit. A visit to St. Lucia would be incomplete without witnessing the majestic Pitons. Next up, we have the Sulphur Springs, the world's only drive-in volcano. Imagine submerging yourself in the warmth of mineral-rich waters, a natural spa provided by Mother Earth herself. The Sulphur Springs, with their therapeutic properties, offer an experience that's both unique and rejuvenating. It's like stepping into a warm embrace where every pore of your skin sighs in relief. This isn't just a dip in the water, it's a dip into a world of relaxation. Soaking in these springs is a must for a rejuvenating experience. Third on our list is the Diamond Botanical Gardens, a floral wonderland. Here you are greeted by a symphony of tropical plants, each more vibrant and unique than the last. The gardens are home to the awe-inspiring Diamond Waterfall, a gem of nature cascading over mineral-rich rocks to create a dazzling display of colors. The air is fragrant, the scenery is stunning, and the atmosphere is pure tranquility. With every corner filled with beauty, these gardens are a nature lover's paradise. Fourth on our list is the Anse Chastanet Beach, a peaceful retreat. Imagine a pristine beach with the calmest of waters where time seems to slow down. You're surrounded by endless azure with the gentle lullaby of waves washing over the shore. The atmosphere is pure serenity, a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Whether you're soaking in the sun or simply enjoying the view, it's a haven of relaxation. For a day of unwinding by the sea, Anse Chastanet Beach is the place to be. Fifth up is Smuggler's Cove, a snorkeling and diving paradise. This hidden gem teems with a vibrant spectrum of marine life, turning every dive into a kaleidoscopic spectacle. The waters are as clear as crystal, offering visibility that can make even a novice snorkeler feel like Jacques Cousteau. With the perfect blend of calm conditions and abundant marine biodiversity, it's no wonder why Smuggler's Cove is a top choice for underwater enthusiasts. For underwater adventurers, Smuggler's Cove is a dream come true. Sixth on our list is the Tet Paul Nature Trail, a hiker's paradise. This trail is a feast for the senses, with stunning vistas of the island's lush landscapes and the Caribbean Sea. Along the journey, you'll encounter a variety of flora and fauna, each more enchanting than the last. Don't worry if you're new to hiking, this trail is accessible for beginners, offering a gentle climb with rewarding views. The Tet Paul Nature Trail is a must for breathtaking views and a refreshing hike. Next up, we have Pigeon Island National Park, a blend of history and nature. This unique park is a living museum whispering tales of centuries past with its well-preserved military ruins. As you explore, you'll be surrounded by lush landscapes that capture the essence of St. Lucia's exotic beauty. But it's not just about the past. You can also enjoy a picnic, go hiking, or just soak in the stunning views. For a dose of history and natural beauty, don't miss out on Pigeon Island National Park. Eighth on our list is zip-lining through the lush rainforest. Imagine soaring through the vibrant green canopy, the wind whistling past as you traverse from tree to tree. This isn't just an adrenaline rush, it's a scenic roller coaster offering a bird's-eye view of St. Lucia's rich biodiversity. From the chirping birds to the rustling leaves beneath, it's a symphony of nature that you'll be hard-pressed to find elsewhere. For a thrilling adventure, zip-lining through the rainforest is a must. Ninth on our list is kayaking in the tranquil Marigot Bay. Picture yourself gently paddling through crystal clear waters, cocooned by lush green hills. The peaceful surroundings are only disturbed by the delightful chatter of tropical birds and the gentle splash of your paddle. As you navigate the serene bay, the outside world seems to fade away, replaced by the enchanting beauty of St. Lucia. For a serene and relaxing adventure, kayaking in Marigot Bay is the perfect choice. So 10th, we have a unique experience of a mud bath at Sulphur Springs Park. Imagine immersing yourself in a pool of warm, mineral-rich mud, feeling the earthy texture against your skin. This is not your typical spa treatment. The mud, enriched with sulfur, magnesium, calcium, and other minerals, works wonders on your skin and body. It's known to soothe aches, detoxify the body, and even boost circulation. For a unique and revitalizing experience, a mud bath at Sulphur Springs Park is a must-try. Next up, we have the historic Morne Couberil estate. Here, history unfolds with every step. This 18th century plantation offers fascinating tours that transport you back in time to an era of sugarcane and cocoa production. The estate is a window into St. Lucia's colonial past, with its well-preserved workers' huts and a working mill. Not to mention, the panoramic views from the estate are absolutely breathtaking. For a glimpse into St. Lucia's past, a visit to Morne Couberil estate is highly recommended. 12th on our list is Rainforest Adventures St. Lucia. This is not your average walk in the park, no sir. Imagine soaring above lush canopies on an aerial tram ride, weaving through nature trails and playing spot the critter with the abundant wildlife. From chattering parrots to elusive tree boas, this place is a veritable Noah's Ark. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a nature enthusiast, there's something for everyone. For an all-encompassing adventure, Rainforest Adventures St. Lucia is the place to go. And finally, we have a scenic boat tour along the coast. Imagine the captivating coastal views unfolding before your eyes. Picture the cerulean sea, the lush, verdant landscapes, and the quaint villages dotting the shoreline. Feel the invigorating sea breeze against your face, a gentle reminder of nature's omnipresence. From this unique vantage point, one truly appreciates the island's breathtaking beauty and its vibrant heartbeat. For a refreshing and scenic adventure, a boat tour along the coast is a fantastic choice. And there you have it, folks. 13 fantastic things to do in St. Lucia. From the majestic peaks of the Pitons to the calming waters of Sulphur Springs. From the vibrant hues of the Diamond Botanical Gardens to the serene shores of Anse Chastanet Beach. Whether you're snorkeling in Smuggler's Cove, hiking the Tet Paul Nature Trail, or exploring the historical Pigeon Island National Park, there's something for everyone. Feel the rush as you zip line through the rainforest or embrace the tranquility as you kayak in Marigot Bay. Indulge in a unique mud bath at Sulphur Springs Park and step back in time at the Morne Couberil estate. Immerse yourself in nature with Rainforest Adventures St. Lucia and round off your trip with a scenic boat tour along the coast. So pack your bags and prepare for an unforgettable adventure in St. Lucia. Until next time, safe travels.